now your massage. Come on, okay?
No, really.
Oh, where, come on. Where nine say you, but me will be not telling me. Oh, why come up?
I got to familiar a touch with him.
Oh, not a film.
No, I know. I got to see some. Oh, you're really blessed.
Hi, baby. Come on, God. You go, God. You go, God. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
And they are cool.
Debbie. And they are don't cry. That's what don't cry. Or don't cry.
Hello.
Hello. Hey,
you're welcome.
Thank you.
How much on our?
So by me, you know, pointing,
I'm not saying you are out, but
you ask who is here, but over to my. But if you ask who is here, we're reaching a home. What's the matter? Chingam. Okay. Please, can I help you?
Yeah, we need to massage. That's my wife.
You or the girl?
My wife.
Hey. Sir.
How
about it here? No. Hey, and another brother welcome.
What do they want?
Welcome, baby. I could, you know.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, baby. You can.
And now I knew said what that Ben's in the vineyard.
I want to base Munzo. When you suka, and everybody say,
a young one,
and
young one,
oh, baby, don't make me
please change yourself.
Okay,
yeah.
More towel, I'm a little more.
You can change yourself.
The skin into no, I know
oh, sir, I mean, you're professional.
See,
hello, what's towel? Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Change yourself, okay?
Okay.
Have a nice day.
See,
I open your about me dream, and I'm at it.
Go away to France.
My massage there for so many years.
But my two can tell my wife.
Oh, sound.
That's what so many. You have 8 years. Yeah, I can't remember 8 years.
Any do ya check?
Me Jeffries can you visit?
I do not check.
And yeah, grow.
Any kind.
One guy in Jeffries Game Boy.
I want to wear it, man.
Me and me printing press. I want
what's the print of a you know, photocopy machines. How are you reaching along?
I'm a ring cutter.
To about any girlfriend.
That tells so many years.
Oh, when again a dog. Or run what or do from Napum.
I tell you, US,
America. Wasn't any tree and shut down necklace.
Okay, I'm
ready. You can sit down. We'll be at Apuno. Yeah, we'll go to my class. What do you No, you can sit here. Come and sit here. Yeah.
So shall I lay down like
oh, yeah, lay down for your front.
Okay.
That's called a front lay down.
Okay.
Alright. Have you been doing your massage for long?
Yeah,
or this your first time?
I've done a massage before.
And before?
Yeah.
Alright.
Baby, sorry.
It is a way no almost say and then turn on most Ghana. And I said, Busum be a marker cry.
Baby, is he talking to me? Babe. Babe.
Yeah.
Is he talking to oh.
No, don't.
Time to relax.
Are you feeling it?
Yeah, but you really can you relax a little bit? Like
more idea.
What's right?
Oh, okay.
Found some panel of Nancy. Why? It's in the UJP.
Okay. Open that. I've been so you'll be to me. I didn't know.
Just meet me about me. Just found some panel of
Nancy. I'm myself from no
Natalia. Why?
Bruh, there be there we say I don't know. Open beef na.
Beef dey nkwa na me kwaya me.
There be na wo buy me massage do
together. Kwan dey na me kwaya me di beef kotum. Yeah, come on.
That massage they say near you, so one for you don't go massage that.
You want to be muti beef, one tea money, one tea agony.
My earring came off.
Yeah. Come on, give it to me. Give it.
I can't think of
Massa, now we tell what you come on. Oh, you not somebody. What don't say run off for us? Are they?
Make sure why you no go anymore. What they?
One boy.
What about Bomina? I don't have your room with my bro.
Who share why you go anymore? So what don't me? Many bear from.
What about my bro?
And I'm just so who share why you go anymore? So I don't.
I'm so more cameras and I wait man one in the field.
Please excuse me. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Emia.
Blah.
Right. Is that how you massage people?
But sister, but show na ha. One way you good to say. I want.
Debut, I massage when me I want some man and can ready.
Now we there to say I will be me on Saturday in BB. Ah, yeah, didn't book all man. Blah. What dear, Mr. Oh, yes, Amiga. What dear. What dear. Now, 1 year Saturday, you know, me, and I mean, and my massage in the massage full body.
Hello, hi. Can you just do here, like my lower back?
Your low back?
Yeah, should be.
Is that place a head?
Yeah.
Hey.
Is it a head?
Make my waist. Oh, but you don't see
Now, massa, Jaja, Yanko.
Masa, another
Sister, no, I have a baby, I'm a baby.
share any woman when a dear friend is
I'm home by no. A pound and a pound.
There be a
Babe, let him just
Jai at the end of the year. Oh, yeah, massage. Would you run a half or run
you rain a go right?
Yeah, dear sir. Mr. Please, I bear.
Anyway, said you were going to
I'm
massage.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
If you do this, you can't do a massage for everywhere.
But it is not this right way to do massaging.
My side.
Oh, no. Don't do that.
But it's a soft way.
No, she's a marriage.
Are you feeling it?
Yeah, I think it's better. Yeah.
Good.
But you have to go down a little.
Down low.
If you are the whole dinner jar down on my power, and all fun thing run now. Blah.
Where's the chair?
Blah.
Open you want Jimmy.
The guy named Jimmy, the last I catch him.
Open you want Jimmy another.
Yeah, wow.
Devin says the end of the God in the trophy.
No, I want him to. But you're not that good.
Feeling.
I need a massage. My sister, because some business.
All right, you need it, right?
I have just do my waist.
Your waist, you need it.
Yeah, my waist.
I want to have you.
Me pepe, na me here na only Mrs. Yaba. Francis
Babe, let him go down a little bit.
I want to net here. I want that for. Okay. When you are chawadi obra. I'm ya chawadi pa na when you might say no say ngopa ma obibi say ya. Emfa. I mean you here.
Babe, let him go down.
Wa suma wase me nko form. Ma me nko form na.
Yes, Anando.
Yeah, right there.
Where's Anando?
Who you okay open you?
Babe.
Yes.
Why are you doing this?
No, what
And my waist.
She putting on her hands.
They say what you tell you
Oh, she putting her hands.
Babe, he's a professional. He works in a professional place.
Wow, whatever. Maybe if your husband is not ready, you can go home.
Just do my waist. Don't bite him.
All right. Are you okay?
Yeah, okay. Can you just go down? Go down. Are you afraid of my husband? Hey, you're scaring the guy. He can't even do the massage.
I'm not scaring the guy.
So
what am I doing?
What's like? What?
Shut up.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
All right. But if I was on one, let's me from foul.
Well, it's how I could treat you in the giant. I bet how
you train you than if you me yalla. Open your mama.
I say,
oh, wait, what say?
Me, person how I didn't
Help my hand.
Tina and the overcoat. When did you be but 9 past a bureau?
Clean up, Papa.
No, not my leg.
Your sissy, your waist.
Should be home.
Ah. Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah, right there.
Blah. When I say, woke up in the tone side. Ah,
Father,
kissing your
Why would you do that? Is that part of massage?
a form of massage.
What Jimmy Simo, would you want to obey you?
Now, my day.
What's it?
It's a form of one
You
fear.
really kiss my butt?
A kiss to remove the pain.
Pace, yeah, children.
Yeah, the kiss to make you
Pace,
feel.
yeah,
You know what? It's okay. Let's go.
When I'm out there, now, sister, no one away. Me buy I do want you to find tone and push with me.
I think I'm
Who
okay.
is your number?
What's your name?
Who is empty and
Oh, it's Motorola.
I have another Why?
Are you stupid?
I'm not stupid. No, because of another or you attend.
I open number.
What you want my number for?
I just want to call you for massage.
Sorry.
I want to call you for massage.
Wake up.
I should just get up, right? Because this is
Hey. Wake up. Go and change. Try. Come.
We okay?
But I can't find my earring.
Yeah.
No, that's the cheap. I can't find my earring.
Yeah.
Oh, I just have no call.
Yeah.
You found it?
What is that?
Yeah, you found the thing.
I just have no call inside.
Why?
Come and say kwaku. Come and say kwaku. Man, that's what you need blank. Man, blank. I will say.
Hey,
what do you want to do? Blank me, blank.
I don't need one, bro.
Me free Game Boy being some stew.
Any else to hear?
I'm free.
I stood the time.
Ah, what's SB? I mean, me see say.
When you were home,
maybe I'm moving.
we're trying and the moon was your game.
Babe, can I go change?
Yeah, go and
You're so nice.
Thank you.
Listen.
Shut up.
I just want to say, my dream.
I drew.
And yet, drew.
Send me again or down and who said draw. Physical.
You need to here.
Oh, dream.
Boom, 250 cents. In the window so far. I think I know why.
Why do you know? But Mum saying it or Baticals or check out was simply my say, I will swim.
I know who's here coming once. And who's your babies? I said, what happened? And the bluff on swallow. What happened? Hey, bluff. Soon we,
I feel better.
What happened? What y'all was talking about? Babe, what happened? Are we done? Did you pay him? Are we done?
What did the fans want? Was it? Hey, you. 2 times.
What? What he said? Crazy. No, I ain't mad about that. What he talking about?
20 million.
Baby, what he said?
For
the massage.
Babe, what he said?
Madam, what are you
20 million.
Huh?
Like 2,000 cities?
Yeah.
You must be stupid.
You
must be very stupid. You must be very stupid. You talking about massage? You didn't even do the massage correct. You didn't even do the massage correct. What are you talking about? Don't get me started, nigga, because I will fuck you up before we leave this place.
Fuck me, I'll gonna put up again on you. People, don't you just try me. There be now, because I will put up again.
Black
20 of it.
Oh,
I'll say, you better send your house. Now it's all by now. We'll come and you born. Who's that simple?
I've been to Famil's Touch before, okay? I've done stuff here. They never charged 2,000 for no.
How much do you pay?
Please.
How much do you pay?
I was charged like 500 cities the last time I came. No, it was like 500 cities.
Correct. Oh, boy, damn. I want to grab it.
I came to Famil with my friend.
I want to grab it.
Say,
4 million. 4 dear.
It's Famil.
You're talking about American town. I'm talking about Ghana town.
Who is sending the money? This girl or you?
I'm sending the money.
I understand what
I'm in 3-way drill when I'm a sapper poker.
A man's radio.
How much?
It's 10 million.
How much?
5 million. 5 million.
I think it's 4, baby.
Give him 4.
Man, in the 5.
What's the number? Shut up.
My number is
the moment.
0234 87 3218. I don't even number. You know my number?
What's the name? Famil,
Famil Beauty Clinic.
Yeah,
what better now?
Hey,
and you won't wear that
to number.
I said 400.
666.
What?
Why you? It's okay.
Well, let's go. This guy's
but be careful about this guy, okay?
Why?
I know him.
What do you mean? Bibinibia, who be no semia, and no, don't more. And Chunkapa, you mean,
okay, but he's a criminal.
I love criminals. Baby, come on, let's go.
You know what?
Let's go.
He killed many people.
I love the killers. Baby, let's
He's
go.
a thief.
I love thieves. I love you.
He's so scared anymore.
I know it's my favorite part of his show. I love you.
Hey, and then I'm from I'm from Menu. I'm not necessarily. Brian, yes, we want to talk about it.
Let's go.
What's up with you?
Also, what of
me? What of it? I was it. Where they?
Yeah, we're Bali.
All right, next time.
Are you sister for calling my house in Bar?
When?
What's a sister for calling?
Yeah.
So I don't know how any idea. And who hang out there?
Me crying on me, Adam Fool or Passia. We are poor. When ya okay number be dia me bubu no me bubu ne kama kama nyamre amma me ho amma ge no me frefre ge na amma no prove ne o me bubu no me jige no me jige na fini nsem ene massage mfo dia we de metima jogi o e simple di nyat ma fe na me na be say dia be 2 days 3 days bi massage na music no so na dwen ba so music.
Hello, nigga. How are you?
Yeah, nigga.
I hope everything is cool, nigga.
Yeah, everything is right, nigga.
Yeah, I'm about to massage my building, nigga.
From America?
Yeah. I'm from,
Hey.
I'm
that
from O Block.
O Block?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, man. Can you get up your shirt?
No.
Hey. Give me your back. Hey! Brah.
Why, nigga?
Meeting me, I bet me you the car.
How much?
Brah, and Nambi Shawaha. Then you Nambi Shawaha say.
This one.
What do you say?
Touch it and feel.
Meeting me, I like soup, I be beer.
My daughter is right here.
My daughter is here. Sadia will move you over the car.
Where?
Tinamon Guano.
Yeah. Over massage me.
Wait, don't jump 30 can agree.
But you
who jumped 30?
45 years.
Is that?
Me no one ever, Bob.
And still grinding.
Yes.
What to one?
But you only baby.
Oh, yes, I bet.
Now then, I'll be some coach was kind of bullshit.
I don't know, but yeah, dear, you be so when you buy a 1 to 1 year.
Stop tripping, man.
What's it?
I don't want him baby. Now, when him baby, I want to make
a question. I mean, yes,
I saw a searchlight. Who will do me?
Yes, such a simple.
Not Friday.
But now by Mr. because who will be more different or wrong, different. Because that which I'm right opening. Bra, what packing you make go on?
But baby,
on packet remove.
Sadia,
one.
Tell me,
when you which you 10 million.
10 million. And I will concept
me to just radiate in a year, for obedient over Jack and soup.
Hey, name me body. Obedient quiet category.
Better. Hey, Debbie. A better manner.
But okay.